I'll tell you this right now. I almost am in tears because we built this product as a tool. But tonight, it proved itself almost like a lifesaver. We just got hammered by tornadoes. Our power's out. I've got this wind-up NOAA radio. My son's house got hit. This DEX Fingerlight definitely helped tonight. And I'm getting texts from friends, locals here that bought these, telling me how much they helped them. And I'm not trying to sell you. I'm just saying I'm damn proud of what my sons and I built with this product.